All right, CMA candidates, we're going to do a bond issue price calculation. Now, I kind of think these are fun, so maybe you're going to enjoy it, or at least you're going to learn what you need to do so you're ready for your exam day. So this is going to be an example of an issue price that is issued at a bond that's issued at a discount. All right, so when I open up or look at this question, I have no idea whether it's a premium or discount. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to read through the question and determine what situation I have. Company F issues 8,000 5% 15-year $1,000 face value bonds. 5% is the stated rate on the bond. The market rate of interest is 6%. So comparing those two, I now know that this is a bond that's going to be issued at a discount. We will receive less than the face value. The question's asking us, what is the issue price? Now, this is the table that I like to use whenever I'm doing a bond issue price calculation. I'm going to use the present value tables to find my factors. Now, if you have one of those fancy calculators that's permittable to use on your exam day, you could also use your financial calculator. But in this example, I will show you how to do it using the present value tables. So, how do we find the issue price of a bond? It is the present value of the face amount, the amount that we will have to repay at maturity, and the present value of the interest payments. So I'm going to find the present value of the face and the present value of the interest. Now, when are we going to have to repay the face amount? In 15 years. We are the bond issuer. In 15 years, we are going to repay our investors. The 5% is the stated rate of interest. The 6% is the market rate. What's the face value of our bond? They didn't tell us that, did they? They gave us that we're issuing 8,000 $1,000 face value bonds. So when I say what's the face amount or the face, it is the $1,000 times 8,000 bonds. The face amount is $8 million.